What's up, guys? Today, just gonna be like doing a video showing stuff. I could trade for Airsoftshortie for her Berlin wood. So first I have a pair of headphones. These were $70. They're never used. They're really good. And they're Brookstone headphones. So Brookstone is really good quality headphones. It says it right there, Brookstone, but can't really see it. Brookstone. So yeah, it will come if you do want these. If you want this pair of headphones for the Berlinwood, it will come in this case, and it will come with these. I don't know what these are called, but yeah, that's that. And yeah, that will be the first thing. Next, I will give you everything. Hold on, actually. Hold on, I'm just gonna see if it fits. No, it doesn't fit. Well, I would give you this, pink shopping cart with everything here. If you do want this, it will come with a 4-corner fingerboard bracelet. It will come with, 2 pairs of, tech deck competition, trucks. Yeah, it would be, these kind. It would be the yellow ones and, the white ones. And it will come with like a tech deck pack, 2 shaped tech deck trucks, 1 tech deck riser, 2 tech deck risers, and 8 tech deck wheels. That will all come with that if you wanted it. Next, I have a 4-corner fingerboard complete as 4-corner fingerboard trucks, pink trucks, and it just says red and black tech deck wheels. It's the JKA mold. Really good. It's brand new. And yeah, I would trade you that. And I have some some concrete stuff. I have this manual pad. I would trade you for it. And yeah. Hold on, I have a camera. I just want to look for it. Oh, the camera's right here. I would trade you this camera. It's actually a camcorder. Works perfect. Yeah, you need a SD card for it. It's high quality. It's good. And yeah, the wires will come with it. It will come with this wire. So like if you make a video, you can plug it into your computer, and then you plug it into here. And yeah, it has an on wire. This wire is so like I don't know, like you plug it into here, and then you plug it into your TV, so you can like record to your TV. So that would be that. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have something big for you. If you want, I'll I'll trade you this airsoft gun for the whole complete. It's the airsoft gun, obviously. It's it's a spring pistol, but it's the really good one. I bought this for like, I don't know, a lot, like at least 100. Cause I don't know, there's this place called Strike Force by me, and yeah, you can buy guns there and crap, and it's really good. If you want, it can come loaded. It will come loaded, and hold on. I can give you a speed loader with it too. It's a really good speed loader. It holds up to 90 BBs in it, and yeah, you just can pump it out. But it's not like meant for this. It's actually meant for like an assault rifle, not just a pistol. So yeah. Like I said, I'll trade you this for the complete. I thought you would like that. So yeah. And that's probably all I have. So peace.
Sorry to bother you.